Tranter Gasketed Plate Heat Exchanger provides outstanding efficiency transferring heat from one liquid to another or from steam to liquid. This modular exchanger combines a support frame, two end frames, plates, gaskets, and fluid connections to accommodate a wide range of fluid and thermal attributes. Hot fluid flows on one side and cold on the other, with the plate itself transferring heat from one fluid to the other. Gaskets on the plates seal the channels and provide flow direction. Advanced plate designs and gasket compositions offer solutions for duties that, until recently, have been exclusively reserved for shell and tube units. This means a plate heat exchanger is often your best technical and business solution. Compact size and light weight make for a tight footprint. These exchangers can pack an enormous, super efficient heat transfer service area with high flow rates in a fraction of the space required by shell and tube units. And consider that shell and tube units need twice their physical footprint to pull their tube bundles. Tranter plate heat exchangers can be disassembled within their own length. High efficiency enables a Tranter unit to attain temperature approaches of less than 2 degrees Fahrenheit, enabling them to extract useful heat from even low-grade flows. Their low hold-up volumes and high heat transfer coefficients save fuel and make them fast responding for tight thermal control. High internal turbulence eliminates stagnant areas, causing deposits to be continually removed during operation, thereby reducing fouling by a factor of 3 to 10 times versus a shell and tube. The Tranter Service Center network safely cleans and re-gaskets all brands with warranty coverage on materials and workmanship. Ours is the only OEM service network 100% focused on heat exchanger service. Tranter experience and know-how allows us to offer thermal performance guarantees on all our products. Challenged by production and budget demands? Place your trust in Tranter Gasketed Plate Heat Transfer Technology.